Welcome to Learnglish. Do you know the difference between house and home? Many English learners use them in the same way. You're going to learn it in the next 3 minutes. Do you know why we use house in the first example and why do we use home in the second one? Keep watching, we're gonna find out. House is a building, a physical place where people live. When we use house, we talk about the physical place. You can buy it and you can sell it. For example, the house is on Park Street. We bought a new house. They sold their house. But home is different. Home is a place where you feel safe, comfortable, and happy. When we use home, we talk about the feeling, family, comfort, and belonging. For example, this place feels like home. My family is at home. I feel comfortable at home. Be careful not to make this mistake. When you are talking about returning where you live, English speakers use go home. Don't say go to house. Now let's try. 1. There is very big. In this sentence, we're talking about the building itself. So we say house. 2. Is full of love. In this sentence, we're talking about the feelings. So home is correct. 3. They're building a new. We're talking about the physical building itself. So we say house.